Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Quill token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper on the base network that pioneers fully on-chain language models by running interface directly within the EVM trigger algorithmic. Quill eliminates the need for APIs, Oracle off-chain computation. The protocol allows anyone to train, deploy, and query domestic AI models as smart contracts. Quill serves as the utility token powering a mastered creator economy. Users spend Quill to permanently inscribe AI generation on chain, with 70% rewards model creators and 30% permanently burned. Quill solves the verifiability and centralization challenges of AI, providing a transparent foundation for autonomous DApps. Quill token total supplies 999.99 million and circulating supplies also 999.99 million. Quill token is listed on Uniswap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 60% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.